Hey everyone, welcome back to Plate on a Budget. This Wednesday, we are making plant-based cheeseburgers with a homemade and healthy whole wheat bun. Let's get started on the buns. In your mixer bowl, place 4 cups of whole wheat flour and add 4 tablespoons of Splenda, 3 teaspoons of dry active yeast, and mix gently. Now add a half a teaspoon of salt and mix. Add a half a cup of vegan butter, 1 cup of lukewarm almond milk, and mix. Mix initially with the paddle and then with the dough hook. Once you have a nice soft but firm dough, knead it into a ball. Place it in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rest for 2 hours. Now let's make the burgers. Chop 2 portobello mushrooms and add 2 onions and sauté them. In your mixer, add 1 can of black beans, one cup of sliced beets, 1½ cups of oats, the sautéed mushrooms and onions, 4 tablespoons of chopped walnuts, 3 tablespoons of light flax seeds, 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch, 1 teaspoon of barbecue spice, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of dry parsley, a dash of liquid smoke, and mix all of your ingredients together. Once everything is well incorporated, place the mixture into a bowl, cover it, and let it marinate in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Now we form our burgers and fry them on medium-high heat. Time to now bake our buns. Uncover your dough carefully and knead it lightly for a minute. Split the dough into 8 equal pieces and start forming your buns. Place them in a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Cover them with a towel and let them rest for 20 minutes. When they have doubled in size, brush on a water and sugar mix. Now sprinkle on some sesame seeds. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and bake them for 20 minutes or until golden brown. Now split the bun in half, butter both sides, and lightly toast them in a frying pan. Now place your plant-based cheese on top of the burgers and grill it for a minute or two until melted. Now it's time to assemble our delicious plant-based burger. Use any vegan sauce of your choice, double stack your cheeseburgers, garnish with lettuce, onions, and pickles, and enjoy! We hope you like our recipe today and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a Tuesday or Wednesday upload. Feel free to comment if you have any suggestions or future video ideas. If you want to help grow our channel, send this video to family and friends. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.